Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come and check in for a minute and tell y'all what I have planned for the day. So me and Nick are going to this new restaurant that we found out about. We just going to eat and see what they got, see if we like it, because we're trying to try new things, because we feel like we eat the same thing over and over again. So we'll be going to try some of their food. What else do I have to do today? It's not really a busy day. Probably just like make a little quick grocery stop. Probably give me some, I don't know. If I'm having a drink at the restaurant, I'm probably not going to have room for boba. But y'all, I love boba now. Like my little sister, she's really big with YouTube and YouTubers. And she's only 14. So they're doing like the younger thing. She's doing her younger thing. So she always gets me to try... going on. She always gets me to try like new things with her, so I end up trying the boba, y'all, and I love it. It's so therapeutic to me. Just the little boba balls where you just drinking your drink and they come up the straw, and it's just like they come up just so smooth, like you can feel the balls coming up the straw. Like I just love it. But y'all, I don't know. Whatever we decide to do today, I'm gonna make sure I record. I'm gonna make sure I bring y'all along. Y'all already know that. So y'all, my friend called me and told me that Family Dollar was having a sale on their like little summer stuff, and everything was marked down for $1, y'all. So I end up getting, and I think I only spent like $20 on all of this stuff. And I got like 3 bags of stuff. I got this little pretty 2-piece that came with a little pair of little jeans. I got that for $1. Everything is $1, so I don't have to say the price. Got these little 2 pair of these little shorts, you know, just for around the house or when they going outside or something. Got that. I got this jacket. I found Ditl another jacket. I don't know why this jacket was priced for $1, but I think it'll be... Oh, can I get to the jacket first? Hold on, yeah. Let me get this first. This other stuff out the way first. I end up getting this little unicorn shirt. It was $1. Dream like a unicorn. I got this night set for Ditl. It was $1. Oh, look at me saying the prices anyway, and I just said I wasn't gonna say the price. I got Ditl's these little yoga pants. These are too cute. This has a sensor on it. See, that's why I did not move out of the parking lot yet, because I knew something was gonna have a sensor on it, and this does have a sensor on it. I would have been so mad, but this is $1. I'm gonna take it right back in there so they can pop these sensors off, because I don't think she took the sensors off none of this stuff. This stuff still got the sensor on there. That's fine. I got that. Let me see if I can get the jacket, which I think I can. This is the jacket right here. It's a nice little furry jacket. So Ditl will be warm. Like she can wear this before it starts to get too cold, like on those little cool chilly days we be having. And I got this little nightgown for myself, which was on sale as well. Everything was on sale, y'all. I was so happy to get this stuff. Y'all just don't know. This was $1. And let me rotate the camera. This will be better. Okay, so I end up getting this dress here. It's just like a hot pink nightgown. Cuters. I got this little outfit here for Carson. I really was taking this stuff out. I wasn't gonna do a video, but I was taking this stuff out because when I walked out the door, the alarm went off, and I said, I know it's buzzers on this. So I'm just checking it, and I did find a couple things. I'm glad I did. I don't know if y'all ever tried to get some things off, but they are hard to get off. Like, I don't want to mess up none of these clothes because they were just $1. This is the cutest little unicorn shirt. Look at this shirt. Dream like a unicorn. This is so cute. I just love anything unicorn for girls. Okay, and I got these shorts right here. I already showed y'all. So yeah, all this stuff up here that's on my dashboard, it needs to be taken back inside because it has, do this good? Okay, so put this back in there. Now let me show y'all the shoes. I don't think I got no more clothes. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, and I got these little pants, maybe for some workout pants. They were $1. I think they're a little big, so if I can't fit them, I'm probably gonna give them to somebody else. Cause my top, like my shirts and stuff, I get a 2X, but my pants I just get a extra large or a large. Cause I got big at the top, little at the bottom. Okay, so I got those. But let me show y'all the shoes I got. I love these type of sandals here, and if y'all can see, this is like that ombre.
Damn.
Okay, so y'all, I got these ombre little sandals here in a size 9. I got Ditl these JoJo CY sandals. They were $1. I got some more of those sandals for me because I have a dress like this, and I think these sandals will go so good with it. And I also got another pair of those ombre sandals for my little sister because she likes to do whatever I do. So I got her own sandals so she won't wear mine. But yeah, I spent like a total of $20. Probably not even 20, probably like $18 and something on all of this stuff. So y'all check out y'all local Family Dollars because when they have markdowns, they mark their stuff down to like $1. And I think it was a really good deal for all of this stuff. So I just wanted to show y'all that.
you can also use the mustard being Ditl.
It's good. So yeah, later on that night, I got my package that I have been waiting for from Amazon, and here you'll see me just opening the packages so I can show you guys what's inside. So yeah, I ordered containers so that I can put my eggs in, my water bottles in, and I have like 6 additional little bins where I can just organize little miscellaneous things that I may have in my refrigerator. But y'all, when I tell y'all this is like such a great way to organize your refrigerator and to keep it organized, y'all, it looks so good. So yeah, this is the bottom of our refrigerator. It's just stuff just thrown in here. Yet again, look at these. Who did these? Who does stuff like this? I don't even understand. But anyway, I got some storage containers, and I'm just gonna see if this makes a difference. I'm sure it will, but I'll let y'all see the finished results. This is the big reveal. I just think it looks so nice. Everything is clean and tidy. Everything is in its space. I got my apples and eggs down here. And I used to think it was so silly to get like an egg container. I'm like, eggs already come in a container or carton. So why do I have to? But it does look a lot more presentable. I have all of these little bins, the 6 can I have all of them utilized, y'all. And I got 5 here and 1 on the door, which is really discreet. But this side of my refrigerator, I really been looking for some type of storage, so I may order another 6 count of these and just put all of my condiments in a container, because I think this looks really good. But y'all, yeah, overall this is the finished refrigerator. I'm also gonna order like a container, like the water bottle container, but it's for sodas or maybe sparkling waters or something, just for canned drinks. It's smaller than this, of course, because it's for the sodas. So I'm gonna order one of those. But yeah, I think it just looks so much better with everything being in the container. Makes everything look so nice. Now all I probably have to do is space all of my condiments and scoop them up, turn them around so I can see everything in here. Yeah, y'all, I am loving these containers so far. And I'll have the containers linked in the description box down below, so you all can go check it out and see where I got these from and see the pricings of everything.